Welcome to DigiExtreme. In my last video, I had covered keyboard shortcut using A to Z key. First part, I had covered from Control A till Control L. In my today's video, I will cover the remaining one. Let's start with the first one. And if you had missed the first one, then I will mention the link in this video. Let's get started, guys. First one is Control M. Control M. What is the use of Control M shortcut key? Control M is used to insert a new slide on PowerPoint. Let me show you. Let me go to the PowerPoint first. I have already opened a PowerPoint and let's see what Control M does. See, you can see Control M has opened a new slider. So this is the use of Control M. Let's get to the sheet. Control N is used to create a new presentation on PowerPoint. To show you this, again I need to go to the PowerPoint. So Control N. So let's press Control N. You can see, guys, Control N has opened a new presentation. So this is the use of Control N. So now let's move to the Excel sheet. Next one is Control O. Control O to open a file. Like I am on this sheet. Let's see what happens if I use Control O. See, this has opened a file. It is showing all the files I have on this Excel sheet. So now let's get back to the sheet, guys. Next one is Control P. Control P is used to print any presentation, whether you are in Excel sheet or WordPad or any other file, PowerPoint, and you want a printout, then this is the shortcut key. Let me try Control P. See, you can see that print box. These are the details. You can change according to your requirement. This is a shortcut key. This will provide Control P, and this is used for printing any. Next one is Control Q. Control Q is used to save and close the presentation on PowerPoint. Let me show you this. I'm on PowerPoint. Control Q. C. Control key Q. It is asking to want to save your changes to crop auto saved. All right. So this will do the both thing. It will also save that presentation, and it will also close the presentation. Control Q will do the both thing to save and close the presentation of PowerPoint. Now let's move to the next one, Control R. What is the use of Control R? Control R is used to make the alignment right on WordPad. Let me paste here. Now I need to select this. Then I will be pressing Control R. You can see it got to the right. And if you want it to be moved to left, then it's very simple. You will be pressing Control L. So this is the use of Control R and L on WordPad. There is one more use of this Control R. It is used to refresh the page in an internet browser. You can see guys, I have refreshed this page with Control R. You can try yourself once. Control R feature to refresh an internet page. Alright, let's Control S. Control S it used to save any file. Like this is the file I want to save this, then I'll press Control S. It will save the file. Now let's see the use of Control T. It is used to open font dialog box on PowerPoint. Let me go to PowerPoint first. This is PowerPoint guys. And let me press Control T. See, it has opened the dialog box. Font dialog box. You can make the changes according to your requirement. To make the changes on PowerPoint page what you have created. Alright. Now it also open create table box. This is also a shortcut key of creating a table on Excel sheet. One table box has created. And it is also used to open a new tab in internet box. Control T. You can see new tab. New tab has opened. I want to open one more tab, then one more tab will open. So this is the shortcut key of Control T also. Let's move to the next one. Control U. Control U is very simple. Control U is used to underline any text. Like this is the text I want it to be underlined, then I'll be using Control U. You can see there is a underline below this to underline. All right. Now let's move to next one. It's Control V. Control V is used to paste anything. Like I said before, I have copied this with Control C and I want it to paste somewhere. Then I'll be using Control V. This is the shortcut key of Control. This is the use of Control V. Now next is Control W to close the presentation. Let me go to PowerPoint for this. Control W. It is asking to save. It will close. Now let's move to next one. Control X. Control X cut select text or object. Control X is used to cut anything. This is a shortcut key of cut. If I use Control X, then it will cut from this and it will paste wherever I want with Control V. This is the use of Control X. Now let's move to the next one. Control X is covered. Now Control Y. Control Y is used. Before Control Y, I would like to cover Control G. Let's see what is used with Control G. It is used to undo. Like I have written something and I have can delete this, cut this, and now I want it to see again. Whatever I have done, I want it back, then it will be Control G. Control Y. Control Y will redo what we did with undo, like Control Y. See, it was back to that what happened after Control G. So this is the use of Control Y. This is redo and Control G is undo. Alright, you practice. This is all for today. I hope you learned something with this video. Do like this video and share with your friends so that they can also get benefited with this video. I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.